So, good afternoon. Welcome in Eagle Tutors. So, let's solve this equation. Okay. So, here given solve the equation and find value of x. Okay. So, this is a linear equation. Okay. Linear equation means degree of degree of expression degree of expression is equal to 1. Okay. So, here power of variable is equal to 1. So this equation is known as linear equation. Okay. So first you take LCM in LHS. ठीक है. So we take LCM. 5 LCM of 5 3 is equal to 15. So 15 LCM. So here 3 cancel out. So multiply in numerator 5 2x minus 1. Okay, and here minus 5 cancel out, so here multiply 3 6x minus 2. Okay, so here you write RHS as it is 1 by 3. Okay, so again you simplify this, open bracket, using distributive property. So 5 multiply 2x minus 5 multiply 1 minus 3 multiply 6x, and if you open bracket from minus 1, so the sign in under bracket plus 2 converted minus and minus converted to plus, so here plus 3 multiply 2 divided by 15 as it is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, now you simplify like term, so 5 to the 10x minus 5 1 ja 5 minus 6 3 ja 18x plus 3 2 ja 6 divided by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. Now you simplify, add and subtract like term, so 10x and minus 18x, so here we will get minus 8x and minus 5 and plus 6, so plus 1 divided by 15 is equal to 1 by 3. So cross multiply, we will get minus 8x plus 1 multiply 3 is equal to 15 multiply 1. Now, so it implies here distribute 3 in this term. So minus 8x multiply 3 plus 1 multiply 3 is equal to 15. 50 multiply 1 is equal to 15. So here multiply 8 3 is 24 minus 24x plus 3 is equal to 15. Transpose number on right side, so we will get minus 24x is equal to 15 minus 3. Now, so here we will get minus 24x is equal to 15 minus 3, so we will get 12. So divided by minus 24, x is equal to 12 divided by minus 24. So x is equal to 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. So we will get minus 1 by 2. Okay, so now hence hence the value of x is equal to minus 1 by now. Solve the equation. Here another equation. Solve the equation and verify your solution. It means first you solve this equation and then verify your answer. Now, first we solve this equation. So here you multiply 2 by 3 in this bracket, or you take LCM 3 and 4. So it implies take LCM. So LCM 12 LCM. Here 3 divided by, so 2 multiply 4 in bracket x minus 5, and here you multiply minus 3 in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, so after that you multiply this, 4 to the 8, x minus 5, and here minus 3 x minus 2 divided by 12 is equal to 9 by 2. Okay, now using distributive property, here multiply 8 in both terms, so we will get 8x minus 8 multiply 5 minus open bracket minus 3, so 3x minus minus plus 3 multiply 2 divided by 12. RHS as it is, copy and paste, so 9 by 2. Now solving this LHS side, so 8x minus 8 5 ja 40 minus 3x plus 3 2 ja 6 divided by 12 is equal to 9 by 2. So now 8x and minus 3x like terms, so subtract, we will get 5x minus 40 minus 6, so we will get 34 divided by 12 is equal to 9 by 2. Now after simplifying, you cross multiply, so we will get 2 5x minus 34 is equal to 12 multiply 9. So distribute 2. So 2 multiply 5x minus 34 multiply 2. So here you multiply 12 9 ja, 9 2 ja 18, 9 1 ja, so 108. So again you multiply 5 2 ja 10x minus 34 2 ja 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 68 is equal to 108. It implies, so 10x transfer minus 68 on right side, so we will get 108 plus 68. Now so 10x is equal to, you add, so 8 8 16, 617 and 1. So now we will get x is equal to 176 divided by 10. It implies x is equal to divided by 2, 2 8 ja 16, 2 8 ja 16, 2 5 ja 10. So x is equal to 88 by 5. So verification of solution, taking LHS. So here LHS is 2 by 3 x minus 5 minus 1 by 4 x minus 2. So 2 by 3 x minus 2 and minus 1 by 4. So x minus 5 minus 1 by 4 x minus 2. Here x minus 5 and x minus 2. Put value of x. So we will get 2 by putting value of x is equal to 88 by 5. So we will get 2 by 3 in bracket 88 by 5 minus 5 minus 1 by 4. 88 divided by 5 minus 2. So after simplifying, you take LCM. So 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 88 minus 5 5 ja 25 divided by 5 minus 1 by 4, 88 minus 5 2 ja 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 by 3, 88 minus 25. So we will get 8 minus 5 3 and 8 minus 2 6 divided by 5 minus 1 by 4, 88 minus 10 78 divided by 5. So 126 divided by 15 minus 78 divided by 20. You take LCM. So LCM here 60. You multiply 126 multiply 4 minus 73 multiply 3. So now after simplify we will get 504 minus 234 divided by 60. So here we will get 270 divided by 60. Now after simplifying 0 cancel, so we will get 27 divided by 6. 3 9 ja 27, 3 2 ja 6. So we will get 9 by 2. So here is equal to RHS. Hence, hence LHS is equal to RHS is equal to 9 by 2. So verified. Here we given x is equal to 2 plus square root 3 and find out value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay. Now So first you find 1y(x). So now 1y(x) is equal to 1 divided by 2 plus square root 3. So now 1y(x) is equal to, here rationalized denominator. So 2 minus square root 3 multiply conjugate of 2 plus square root 3. So 2 minus square root 3 and 2 plus square root 3. Now 1y(x) is equal to 2 minus square root 3 divided by, here apply identity a minus b, a plus b. So b will get 2 square minus square root 3 whole square. Using identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Now here 1y(x) is equal to 2 minus square root 3 divided by 2 square 4 and root 3 square minus 3. So we will get 1y(x) is equal to 2 minus square root 3 divided by 1. So 1y(x) is equal to 2 minus square root 3. Now, now we will find, now finding, now find x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 plus square root 3 plus 2 minus square root 3. So here plus minus cancel out. So we will get x plus 1 by x is equal to 2 to 4. Now find x cube plus 1 by x cube. ठीक है? We know that identity x plus 1 by x का whole cube. Okay? So we know that x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 multiply x multiply 1 by x in bracket x plus 1 by x. Using identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Now after simplifying we will get x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, transpose this term. So x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3 multiply x multiply 1 by x in bracket x plus 1 by x. Okay. Now putting value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. So now we will get x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 4 cube minus. Here x cancel out, so we will get 3 in bracket. X plus 1 by x means 4. So now x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 4 cube आपका 4 multiply 4, it means 4 cube 64 minus 4 3 ja 12. Now, so x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 64 minus 12. You subtract. So 4 minus 2, 2, and 6 minus 1, 5. Hence, x is equal to 3 plus square root 8. Find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Okay. Now, given given x is equal to 3 plus square root 8. So first we find 1 by x. So now 1 by x is equal to 1 divided by 3 plus square root 8. So here the denominator is in irrational number. So first rationalize denominator. So multiplying by conjugate of 3 plus square root 8. So multiplying by 3 minus square root 8 in RHS side. In RHS in numerator and denominator. Denominator we get, it implies 1 by x is equal to 3 minus square root 8 divided by 3 minus square root 8 in bracket 3 plus square root 8. So here apply a minus b and a plus b identity. So 1 by x is equal to 3 minus square root 8 divided by 3 square minus root 8 square. Using identity, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now we will get 1 by x is equal to 3 minus square root 8 divided by 3 square 9 and square root is 8 square 8. So we will get 1 by x is equal to 3 minus square root 8 divided by 1. So here 1 by x is equal to 3 minus square root 8. Now for finding x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 3 plus square root 8 plus 3 minus square root 8. So here plus square root 8 and minus square root 8 cancel because here alternate sign. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 336. Now, so finding x square plus 1 by x square. We know that we know that identity of a square. So x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 2 multiply x multiply 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Okay, so here you separate x square plus 1 by x square. So we will get x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 multiply x multiply 1 by x. Using identity, using identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, here x square plus 1 by x square is equal to transfer these terms. So, x plus 1 by x whole square. Here x cancel. So, we will get minus 2. So, now putting value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. So here we will get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6 square minus 2. So here we will get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 6 square 36 minus 2. So now we will get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34. Hence, the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 34. Answer. So, here question, the perimeter of a triangle is 300 meter if its side its sides are in the ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7. Find the find the area of the triangle. Okay, so Here given perimeter of triangle is equal to 300 meter, and sides of sides of triangle in ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7. Let the sides of triangle are A, comma B and C. Okay, so here you make a triangle ABC, side A, B and C. So now A is equal to 3x, B is equal to 5x and C is equal to 7x. So we know that perimeter of perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of sum of length of length of all sides. So perimeter here given 300 meter is equal to sum of all sides, it means 3x plus 5x plus 7x. So we will get 300 meter is equal to 3 5 15, so 15x. So x is equal to 300 divided by 15. So here x is equal to 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 300. So x is equal to 20 meter. Now sides of sides of triangle are A is equal to 3 multiply, put value of x, so 20 meter. So here we will get 60 meter. B is equal to 5 multiply 20 meter. So we will get 100 meter. And C is equal to 7 multiply 20 meter. So we will get 140 meter. Now, so find semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter of triangle S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So semi-perimeter is equal to 60 plus 100 plus 140 divided by 2. So semi-perimeter is equal to 300 divided by 2. So semi-perimeter is equal to 150. For finding area of triangle, area of triangle using Heron's formula. So we know that we know that Heron's formula, Heron's formula, area of triangle, area of triangle is equal to square root semi-perimeter multiply semi-perimeter minus side into semi-perimeter minus side into semi-perimeter minus side. So putting values of values of semi-perimeter is A, comma B and C. We get we get area is equal to area delta is equal to square root semi-perimeter 150 minus 60 150 minus 100 150 minus 140. We will get delta is equal to, it implies square root 150 150 minus 60, we will get 90. 150 minus 100, we will get 50. 150 minus 140, we will get 10. So now area delta is equal to, after simplifying, we will get 50 multiply 9 multiply 5 multiply 10,000, because here 0 0 0 it means 10 10 10 and 10, so we will get 10,000. So here uh, 10,000 remove from square root, so we will get 100 in bracket in square root 15 multiply 9 multiply 5. So here square root of 9 100 multiply 3, and you break 15 in prime factor, so you can write 5 multiply 3 multiply 5. So now here remove bracket square root from 5 square, so here you can write 5 square multiply 3. So here 300 multiply 5 square root 3. So now it implies delta is equal to 5 3 ja 50 1500 square root 3 meter square. Hence, the area of triangle is 1500 square root 3 meter square.